Namaste guys. In this video, we are going to learn how to create Vortex temper in Solidworks. So let's start. So as you can see that I am in assembly mode. So I'm going to make all my parts in this assembly mode. Okay. So click on insert components, click on new part, select the front plane, press Ctrl plus 8 for normal screen to the view. So let's draw a simple line that is called center line in my case. And let's draw the first thing that I'm going to draw is a covering. You can choose the diameter as per your requirement. uh, I'm making it 500 mm and this is 300, 150, 50, 50, and click OK. Go to the features, click on the wall boss base, click on no. So you can increase or decrease the thickness as per your requirement. In my case, I'm going to reverse the direction. So what will happen after reversing the direction? If I press Ctrl plus 8, you can see all the thickness is given this side. If I click on reverse direction again, it will be inside of it. Okay. If I click on here, it will be outside the sketch. Okay. So I'm choosing the outside one, and the thickness will be 10 mm. But you can change the thickness as per your requirement. So click on here. Okay. After that, select the front plane, click on sketch, draw a circle of 10 mm diameter, or let's say 20 mm. 20 mm is fine. So click on features. Let's make it 30 mm first. Yeah, 30 mm is fine. So click on features, click on extrude cut, click on through all, click OK. After that, click on circular pattern, select this circle. How much pattern we want? Let's say 13. Click OK. Now select this face, click on sketch. Now let's draw a circle. Before that, click on here so that we can see, and let's draw this circle first. So the diameter of this one is 1060. Okay, 1060, not 1.6. And select this line, click on for construction, draw a circle here, give the diameter as per your requirement. In my case, I'm giving it a value of 20, and click on circular pattern, select the origin, how much instances you want, and click on introduce to pattern, and which entity I want to pattern, this one. So how much two more instances I want, let's say 20. Click OK. Go to the features, click on extrude cut through all, click OK. So you can see this is how it looks like. Let's make the view to the solid body. Looks good to me. Now we have to make some other things. uh, just go upside and go above. I know some people will say, hey man, that we lose some features, don't worry about it. We are going to get that onwards. So select the front plane, press Ctrl plus 8, press Ctrl plus 8 again, so we can see this one. Now right click on it, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8 again, and click on here, click on center rectangle, draw a center rectangle like this, and press escape, select this circle, click on convert entities. After that, select this and give it a dimension as per your requirement. In my case, I am giving it 70 by 120. So this one will be going to be 35, and the distance from here to here will be 60. Now what I will do, as you can see, it is far flange. I will click on extrude, but this is not the way I want. So click on here, click on offset. So increase the distance, click on reverse direction to increase the distance, and click on up to surface. Select the surface, and 515 is fine, I guess. Click OK. Select this face, click on sketch, draw two circles here, 50. Give it a diameter, let's say 10. Escape, select this line and this line, make it vertical, click on center line, draw a center line, and I will going to mirror about it. So select this, mirror about this line, click OK, go here, click on extrude cut blind, just increase it. Now what I will do, I will go to my circular pattern, right click on my circular pattern, click on edit feature. Now here I will select this feature and this one, click OK. So you can see, so with this single pattern I got more of this. Now click exit sketch. So select this one, press F2 and give it a name. Let's say body. I know it's a very bad naming, but yeah, it will work. After that, we have to create something called fins. Okay. Before that, let's make a circular base here another. So what I will do, click on here, click on new part, select the top plane, press Ctrl plus 8, draw a circle here. It's 100 mm. Go to the features, click on extrude. Now make sure that you choose mid plane. Okay, and it is up to you how much big you want. Okay, so in my case 100 mm is fine for me. Now what I will do, I will go here, select the top plane, top plane of the part. Okay, top plane, click on sketch. Sorry, I have the top plane of the sketch. Now I have to create holes here as well. So what I can do, let's create hole of 15 mm. 50 mm hole is too big for this. So go here, reduce it to 10 mm. Click on extrude cut through all both. Not through all both. Click on uh, blind. Click on offset. I think so this is fine. Click OK. After that, I will click on here. Click on circular pattern. Select this edge and the feature that I want to pattern it. So select this one. Number of cut will be 13. Click OK. And now let's work on fin part. So exit that assembly component mode. So how should I make the fins? Do you see this traffic light icon? So this is called rebuild icon. So click on rebuild. So click on here, click on new part. Select the, let's see, I want the top plane. Select the top plane, press Ctrl plus 8. So, and, and I don't know whether you guys notice or not, but here is some issue. These circles are not aligned with this one. So I will face issues later onward. So what I can do, before I work on this part, exit the sketch mode, edit assembly mode. As you can see, I can move this thing. So that's a good thing. So what I will do, select this and select this. Make it concentric. Okay. Click OK. Now select this hole and this hole. I only want to just to align them. If one is aligned, all other will also will align with respect to each other. So if I press Ctrl A and go here, see, so you will see that they all are, aligned. That's a good thing. Now I will go on this part, click on edit part, select the top plane, click on sketch. So I will first draw something called center line up to this, not this point. Let's make it to this here. Now select this circle, click on convert entities. Now what I will do, I will draw two lines. A question is, what should be the angle of this? Uh, so I know that I have 13. So select this, 360 divided by 13, 27.69, and this one will be 27.69 divided by 2. Looks good to me. Now click on OK. Select this circle. Click on convert entities. After that, select this circle. Click on offset. Uh, let's say 10 mm is fine. Click OK. Click on trim entities. And one thing that I have to do is click on offset entities again. Select this. Click on reverse direction. Let's make it 20 mm. Let's make it 5 mm. 5 mm is fine. 5 mm. And click OK. Click on trim entities. Or we don't need to use even trim. What I can do is go to the features, click on extrude, select these faces, okay, and click on mid plane. Thickness will be less, so let's say 10 mm. Click OK. Now I need to make something called supporters. So there will be two supporters, big supporter and small supporter. Let's see how to make it. And exit that assembly component mode. I'm going to just make pattern after making the parts. I hope you understand the part of what I'm trying to say. Now select this, press F2 and give it name blade or whatever you want to give it in your local language. So click on here, click on new part and select the right blade. In my case, press Ctrl plus 8. So I will click on corner rectangle. After that, click on revolve workspace. Which line I want to revolve about? I want to revolve about this line. Click OK. Now what I will do, I will select this top plane, click on sketch and will draw this thing. Now let's give it some dimensions. Why it is not picking this origin? Cannot be external. Okay, where about its origin? Its origin is also here, so must pick it up. Let's give it uh, 90, 35, 15. For some reason, it is not picking up. I don't know why. Uh, Origin 7.5. What are the features? Extrude. Click OK. You can make cut out of it if you want, or let's just make it cut. Else you will say I'm making fool out of you. Select this and this one. Click here and extrude cut through all both. Okay. So this will be the smaller one. Now I need bigger one for as well. So what will I will do in that case? Mm, and I think that I need to increase this, body height for some reason. So let's see why I will do that. Let's first make the part. So click on insert components, new part, click on right plane, press Ctrl plus 8. One thing notice that I have a click on no external references. If you don't, you will face a lot of issues. So make sure always do that. This is a common mistake done by the beginners, and I also see that people come and ask me, "Hey man, how to do that? How to do this?" So don't do that mistake, please, guys. 50. Press Control Z for a second. Hmm, 195. Then make it 60. 60 is fine. And this one will be 15. This one basically actually in reality will be 14.99 something for tolerance purposes, but for Solidworks I'm making it 15 as well. So click on evolve both space, not this one, yeah this one. Click OK. No axis for evolution. Click OK. Select this face. Click on sketch. Draw a center line. 30, 15. Okay, I want 15 from here to here. 15, and this one will be 10. And you know what? Let's delete this one. And I will use something called mirror. Select this entity, mirror about this line, click OK, go to the features, click on extrude, click OK, and exit this. So as you can see, it is not correctly made right now, so I have to do all these things as well. So let's do the mating, because that onwards it will be complex if I try to do that. So how can I do that? So first thing that I have to do is select this face and this face, click OK. This face and this face, click OK. Select this face and this face, click OK. Now how can I make it to the center of it? So this will be a little bit challenging part. So what I will do, I will select this plane and let's see what is, so this one, and go to the mates, go to the assembly, click OK. So you can see in that I have placed in correct place. Now you can see it is currently moving up and down, and I don't want it in reality. So I will go to the body, click on top plane, mate, and top plane of the assembly, click OK. One more thing that after that I will do, right click on it, click on fix, and you can see that it is moving forward backward, that I also don't want it. So what I will do, select this face and this face, make it tangent, but it has some drawback. Okay, what is this? I can't rotate it. The rotation is not happening because if I select this part and remember this mate, so this mate is stopping it from uh, rotating. So what I can do, right click on it, click on delete for now. I have a better idea right now. So I will go to its right plane, click on sketch, click on center line, draw the center line like this and escape. Now what I will do, okay, oh my bad, I actually made it in assembly mode actually to make the sketch on here. So click on add components, right plane, click on sketch, just to here. Now what I will do, acceleration component mode, select this line, and now I will select the right plane of it, click OK. So you can see it can rotate right now. Let's make some more changes. Select this face and this face, this face. Okay, okay, my bad. I think it's not working the way I want. Right click, delete. Let me think for a second. How can I? So I can control with it. Okay, that's a good thing. So here's a better idea. Accept preview. Select this face and this face. Make it parallel. Select this face and this face. Click on distance and 400 mm. 495. 495 is fine for me. Click OK. So by rotating this, I can rotate the control the movement of it. And notice one thing, that this one is not centrally aligned. So this is issue again. So what I will do, I will select this one, right click and delete. I will choose another method called mate advanced width. So select this. I can't able to select the edge, I guess. Select this face and this face, and select this face and this face. Yeah, this one is working. Click OK. In engineering, you have to always find different ways to solve a problem. As you can see, I face a problem and I find a solution after taking some time. Now, to use it later on after onwards, I need to increase its length, because I have to make some more parts, and without that I can't able to use it. Or I can, I guess, but let's see whether it is work or not. Let me try. Let's give the part naming, because that one was a face problem. So big supporter, this is small blade supporter, so small blade supporter, like you guys, for me. Now click on here, click on new part, select the front plane, press Ctrl plus 8, press Ctrl plus 8 again. Fifty, 30. Go to the features. Before that, I forgot to give dimensioning. And for those, some people I see on internet asking me, hey man, give me the dimensions. So guys, I will be frank, I don't know any dimension of it. I just make it, rough imaginary. I just saw some mechanism on internet. After that, I will just try to make it on my own. So I don't even know a little bit about its dimensions. So sorry for that, because I don't know it. So how can I share it? Click OK. If there is a component mode, select the part, move it to here, go to the mates, select this face and this face. Make sure that you click on log rotation. So log rotation basically means if I rotate it, you can see this will also rotate. Select this face and this face. I notice that it is attaching with it. So what I will do, uh, select the big part, click on add components, right click on sketch, let's make it 80 mm, click on exit the sketch mode. So now it's a good thing. Now I will go to this part, click on here, click on add assembly, select this right plane, click on sketch, 15 mm, 40 mm, 5 mm. Trim this line. Okay, instead of 15, let's make it 10 mm. Make it 3 mm. Go to the features, click on revolve boss base. Select this line. Uncheck the thickness feature. Click OK. Now select this part. Click on here, click on linear pattern. It is asking for the features to be pattern. So select this. Clear selection. So I want along this edge. I want only two. So increase the distance as per your requirement. In my case, I think it is fine. Click OK. Exit accessory component mode. Now what I will do is uh, circular pattern. Select this. Components to be pattern. Select this one, this one, this one, this one. How much? 13. Click OK. So if I rotate this one, you can see all of them are rotating, and that's a good thing. Now I want something in between them. So how can I do that? So before I move forward, I will use something called 3D sketching. So let's try to understand why. So go to the sketch, click on 3D sketch. So basically I want the distance between these two circles. So how can I get 3D sketch is the best way. So click on center line and click on here, click on these two, very necessary. Just get the tip of it, that will also do the trick. So I think it's 295, or what I can do, I have a better way to find out. So I have to create two more, not two parts, many more. So let's see how to approach this one. So click on here, click on new part. So where I'm going to make it, let's say I'm going to make it front plane. Press Ctrl plus 8. For the sake of simplicity, I'm going to select all parts and hide them. It's consuming a lot of my computer space. I doubt that my computer will burn down. So by pressing shift, all these six part, right click and hide components. Click on exit components, add discipline components. Why are these parts are showing? Okay, right click, suppress feature. Now that's what I want. Right click, click on this part, click on disable component. Select the front plane, click on sketch. So first thing that I will make is a cylinder. Uh, let's see how I will approach it. Let me think about it. How should I approach? Mm, okay, I think that is the way I should approach it. So make it 150, 10, and draw a circle of diameter 20 mm. Let's make it 5 here. 0, 0. Let's draw a circle here as well and make it 10 mm. Okay, and click on trim entities, trim this line. Oh, control Z, control Z, and make it up to here. Trim the entities, trim this line as well. That's a very important one. Uh, Go to revolve boss base. I can smell my laptop is burning. And check the thickness feature. Click OK. One mistake that I've done is I forgot to provide the thickness of it. So click on here. Select this. Select this line. Make it construction. Sorry for the unwanted noises if you are hearing. I can't do anything for that. Click OK. Exit the sketch mode. Select the front plane. Center. 5. Click OK. Mirror entities. Mirror about this one. Through all both. Exit it. Now I've made one and now I need another one. So what I can do is go to the sketch before I do it. Basically I'm just copying the sketch. Don't worry about it. I'm not going to destroy it. I'm just copying the sketch for the sake of simplicity. So what I will do, I will select this part again, click on edit components, go to the sketch, press Ctrl A, press Ctrl C to copy it and exit the assembly component mode. After that I will click on here, click on new part again, select the front plane and press Ctrl V to paste the sketch. But here I will do the trick something. No dark sorcery. Select this line and this line. Make it concentric. Trim entities. Revolve about this line. Why it is not cut this side? I choose through all both. Something is you have to find a way, other way around. By pressing shift, right click on these. Before I do that, just assembly these two parts so I don't face any kind of issues later onwards. So select this axis and this axis. Click on here so that it reverse the direction. Click OK and move this part aside. So by pressing shift, select all this. Uh, by pressing shift, select all the part. Click on show. Similarly, right click on local component, click on show, and select this part. Now what I will do basically, I will click on mate, select this face and this face. Similarly, I will select this face and this face. Select this face and this face. Make it parallel. Some reason it is not doing. Cancel this. I think this is the last part. Okay, this one is the part. So select this part from here. So what we can do guys here, it is not rotating. Uh, so I figure out a one more method. So what I will do, select this one, click on add components, select this part and select its right plane, click on sketch, click on point. So just draw the point at the center of it. Similarly for here, uh, select this and this round curve, click on concentric, just to be make sure that it is at the center of it. Select this and by pressing close like this, click on concentric, exit it. Now what I will do repeat the same steps here. It will help, in assembly mode. So for the sake of simplicity, else it will take a lot of time. And I will delete some mates. So I will simply draw a point any place random. For example, I draw this point here. So I will select this point and select this curve. Click on concentric. You can see it automatically go there. And that is basically what I want. And similarly, I will do for this part. For static assembly component mode, select this part. Click on add components. Just to make sure that I am exactly at the center of it. Okay, this part is not at the center of it, so that is the issue. So what I will do, click on plane, select this plane, delete, and this face. So you can see a plane coming inside of it. Select this plane, click on sketch, press Ctrl Z, zoom out, zoom in, by plus concentric, and exit as component mode. So first thing that I will do is I will delete the mate that I have done with them. You see this concentric mate. So right click and delete. Just to hold. Now go to the mates. Select this point and this point. Click OK. Select this point and this point. Click OK. Select this face and this face. Make it parallel. Why it is not working? It should be working right now, but I don't know why it's not working. Press Ctrl Z. Click on. Notice something, these points are not correctly aligned. I don't know why. That's, now you can see they are correctly worked. Now what I will do by let's go here. By pressing Control, drag this part. By pressing Control, drag this part as well. Make it concentric again. Click OK. Where is the center of origin of it? Click this point and this point. Where is the other one? Oh, there it is. Assembly mates. You can see that it is not correctly placed, but if I click on rebuild, it will be automatically there. So if I do the animation, it will be correctly aligned. So let's try to do the animation part. Before that, let's apply circular components again. Let's select this axis. Components to be pattern. 13. One less. 12. Close this. Click OK. Click on rebuild icon. Okay, they are not at the correct place. No, Why it is not working? If that doesn't work, so we have to do manually and it will be very time consuming, not going to lie. And manual work, I hate that. Synchronized flexible. Let's see there are any options to help us. Viewer icon. Hmm, this is not working. So I guess I have to do manually. So that will take a lot of time. So let's me think for a second. Let's maybe there might be other way. Okay, I think the issue is not there. I think the issue is that we have less number of these part. So it must be symmetric. So to work this circular pattern, they must they must never be odd number. They must be, these blades must not be odd number. They must be even numbers. So I have to go back and do a lot of changes. So sorry for that. So first I will go here. I will click on circular pattern. Uh, Not the circular pattern. Just click on circular pattern. Yeah, circular pattern. Select this part. Click on here. Circular pattern. Edit feature. Instead of 13, just make it 14. Click OK. Okay. Now exit the assembly component mode. Uh, Now select the second part. Same goes for here. Edit feature. Make it 14 as well. Click OK. After that, what's the one? Blade. So in case of blade, uh, right click on sketch. Click on edit sketch. Sorry, first select this blade. Click on add components. Right click on sketch. Click on edit sketch. So 360 divided by 14, it will be 25.71. 25.71 divided by 2, press Ctrl Z. 25.71 divided by 2, that will be 28.62. Exit assembly component mode. Now click on smaller. Smaller and bigger spot are not the issue. What I have to do is I will just click on local pattern. Click on feature. Instead of 13, make it 14. Click OK. And now if I try to do mirror the circular pattern, sorry, select this clear selection, select this face. I am a human, so yeah, I will do mistakes, so sorry for that. You can see now it's totally fine. Click OK. So if I click on rebuild, you can see it's at the correct place. One issue is that these plates or these blades do not go too deep inside. So how I can resolve this? So click on blade, press Ctrl plus 8, or let's see, it's a mate issue. I think it's a sketch issue. So click on blade, pattern, right click on sketch, sketch looks fine to me, press Ctrl plus 8. So why it is interfering with it? Or the issue is here. Let's concentrate this one. Alright, right click on sketch. Let's make it 10 mm. Click OK. Sketch. Let's make it 20 mm. Now you can see it's working. Now some people will say, hey man, that thing is not working. Uh, don't worry about that. And also there's issues with this one. So let's see how to resolve this one. I think it's big supporter. Click on here, mates, concentric, fine. Uh, mate, right click, sketch, delete clear selection, select this face and this face. Uh, I will go down here. Let's hide the pattern for a second. Suppress it. I think you guys all can see the issue, and that thing must be there, not here. So what I will do right now is edit feature, click OK. Now I will go down there, right click and suppress this. Now you see it's look good. Okay, one more issue is that it is moving too far. Select this face and this face. Make it concentric. Let's see what kind of issues we are getting. Okay, that's a very big. Press Control Z. It's a very bad issue. Select this and click on Edit Feature. Uh, Exit this one because I want to use this feature on the part, not on this local circular pattern. So select this part, click on Edit Feature. Uh, Features, reference, plane. Select this face. Um, I just want a plain tangent to it. Is there any plain tangent to it created? Yeah, it's flip offset. A plane created, but it's a opposite direction, not I want. What I can do, select this plane, click on sketch, draw the center line. Exit this sketch mode. I want basically the front plane of it. So exit this sketch mode. Basically, I want exactly in the middle of it, else it will not work. What I was thinking. Point. This one. Select the side components. Sketch. And draw a point at the center of it. As there's some component mode. So what I will do, point 2 on blade. As you can see, it's point 2 on blade. So that's basically what I want. And select this one. Click on concentric. Click OK and exit this. Click on rebuild icons so that we can see yeah looks to me. And now right click. Why it is fully defined right now? Yes, there. I think I somehow accidentally fixed the whole blade. Let's see. Coincide with what to face. Okay, this face is coincide with this face. Not issue. This one is fine. And this one is fine as well. Let's see where is the issue. Mm, delete this part. Component. Sorry, made. Select this face. On advanced, click on with clear selection. Select this face, select this face, and this face. Click OK. Selected component is defined. Y and average resolution. Let me think why is creating the issue. I must know the reasons. Circular bit will not provide. This one will not do any issue. This one the distance. My hands are cold now. So press split work. It's working. So how should I put some? Hmm. Go to the mates. Right click this part. Click on hide. Select this point and this line. We're not working that way. So the issue is that the concentric part with this one, so it is not totally rotating over this one. So that is the reason I'm getting the issue. So if I click on and suppress this, you can see I'm able to rotate how. If I add this one, so is this one causing the issue? For a second, it was not working, right? But now it is working fully. Let's see what will happen. If one rebuild icon. So go to the motion study, click on here and select this face, distance 30, 30 fps, click OK, click calculate. As you can see, the animations now look quite good. So after facing all these issues, now we are finally able to make this. Now let's add some coloring before I move forward and add one more part. Don't worry, that part will not going to an issue. I know it's a time consuming thing, but you learn a lot. I assure you that you guys learn a lot of things, why certain mistakes are there and how to resolve it. So I hope it's totally worth for every second you have to spend here on this tutorial. Click on rebuild. Just tell me I'm not doing on full assembly mode, not on the component mode. But where are the hell are my sketches? Okay, press Control 8. Press Control 8 again. Exit this part. Let's delete this part for now. Okay, I saw this part. I will click the front pane, press Ctrl plus 8. you can see the sketch right now. That's basically what I want to see. So right click on sketch and let's click on mirror about. This one doesn't contain, any mates that will affect the mechanism, so don't worry about that. Contain. Select this line by pressing Control. As you can see, these two are only tangent mate, so I don't have to do anything. Select these two, add tangent mate. Select this line and this line, make it tangent mate here as well. Now what I will do, I will click on mirror entities. What I want to mirror, this line, circle, mirror about what this line. Click OK. Go to the extrude. Click OK. Select this face. Click on sketch. Okay, there is a issue you can see down there. So first exit the sketch mode. Uh, right click counters. Select this and select the center. Click OK. Now select this. Click on sketch. Edit the access component mode. And this time is 14. Let's hide all the necessary things and let's try to see the animation again. It will take some time, it's quite heavy for my PC, this assembly. My PC is literally crying out loud now. Now let's add some coloring to it. Oh, okay, one more thing, that never do coloring in animation mode, never do that unless you have very good idea what are you doing. Right click this part, black like my future. This metal. um, I think not a good idea. So that's for all guys. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you and namaste.